So here are three things professionals can do to come up with a game plan for AI. One, know what it is, what it can do, specifically what agents are, how they work. So it's not just about theoretically, I read an article about AI, I heard it can do this, I heard use it. Use it for your personal use, role play, a conversation with your boss, a conversation with your wife, a conversation with your friends, getting ready for any kind of conversation. That's one thing that you can use it for, but there's so many others. Figure out what agents can do, how they work. If you can build an agent, awesome. So that's the first thing. Know what it can do. The second thing is, what does it mean to you? What does it mean to your career? What does it mean to your role, to your job right now? What's in it? What can AI do that you do in your day to day, in your job, that AI can do very easily? Maybe not now, but tomorrow. Agents can do very easily. Maybe not now, but in a year from now. So, what is it that's process, repeatable, predictable that AI can do in your role? And you'll be surprised how much it can do. So, given that, the third thing is, how do you strengthen yourself despite AI? And how can you be a partner to AI, really be the human in the whole process with AI? Because that's not going to go away. So, decision making, AI can do a whole bunch of tasks, but you, based on your experience, based on how you understand the world, your context, your industry, your job, your company, your company's vendors, all of that, you are really positioned to make good decisions for the company that you work for or your own business. So that's the first thing. That's not going to go away. Making good decisions and complex decisions that require a lot of thought and understanding of the context. The other thing is discontinuous knowledge, which means creativity, innovation, new ways of looking at things. So AI will take in, it's garbage in, garbage out. What you take in is what it regurgitates out, what it uses. So innovating, coming up with new ideas to do things to make your company more efficient, to scale, to grow sales, to make a process more efficient, faster, more accurate, thinking really out of the mainstream. What they say is out of the box, let's say. It's a cliche term, but thinking of new ways, discontinuous ways, not based on past evidence, not based on what's iterating or just building on what's done in the past, but brand new ways of doing things. That's where you come in. So these are some concrete things that you can do to really have a perspective on AI. Know it, understand what it means to you, and then figure out how you can partner with it to continue to do things that create value either for your employer, for your company, or for your own business, or for you personally.